In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your canvas, pick the right tool, and draw a clean, perfectly round circle without guesswork. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load. You should see a blank canvas and a toolbar along the left. If this is your first time opening the app, or you're switching computers, that's fine. Inkscape's default workspace works perfectly for what we need today. Next, open an existing document or create a new one. If you already have a project you're working on, open it so your circle lands in the right context. If not, a fresh document is great. You can choose a preset size, but any default page will work. If you prefer precise sizing later, you can always adjust the circle numerically in the tool controls after you draw it. Now, select the Circle tool from the sidebar. In Inkscape, this is the same tool used for ellipses and circles. It looks like an oval icon. When you select it, look near the top of the window for the tool controls. These update to show width, height, and arc settings for the shape you're about to create. On the canvas, hold the Shift key while you click and drag to draw. Holding Shift locks the aspect ratio so you get a perfect circle rather than a stretched oval, and it can also snap to simple proportional ratios like 1:2 or 1:4. Start your drag where you want the circle to begin. As you drag, you'll see the shape grow from your initial point. If your circle looks off, keep dragging until it evens out. The modifier key is doing the heavy lifting to keep it round. When you're happy with the size, release the mouse button before releasing the control key. That release order matters. Letting go of the mouse first ensures the constraint stays applied to the final shape. If you release control too early, the circle may slip into an ellipse right at the end. So, mouse first, then the modifier. From here, you can refine the circle without adding new steps. With the circle selected, drag the corner handles to resize while keeping it circular, or use the width and height fields in the tool controls for exact dimensions. You can also reposition the circle with the Select tool if needed. Finally, remember that you can style the circle later with fills and strokes to match your project's look. That's it. You've drawn a clean, precise circle in Inkscape.